Hello friends, welcome to the second episode where we are again shooting some interesting food in Ladakh. So this time we have chosen Chowmein's Tibetan kitchen, whose speciality is not using the monosodium glutamate, which is a taste enhancer, which is usually not really good for health. So choosing for an organic, or we can say a healthier option today, we are heading for some new dishes, two dishes today, and we'll keep it a secret until we explore it ourselves. So once again, we're about to unveil the secrets or the food we are going to try today. And before we try the food, we are going to introduce our other friends who have agreed to join us today. One is Gyaltsen here, and that's Dechin here, and we will each introduce one food or one cuisine accordingly. So my first my part of food it's called skew, not very different from the English stew, and it has a plethora of ingredients in it. Mostly, if you notice the shape of the pasta, you can call it Ladakhi pasta, shaped more rounded rather than this long one, and it has more gravy than normal noodles. So how we make it, if I just briefly tell you about that. First, you prepare the vegetable, which could be a concoction of so many vegetables like we have here. It could be shiitake mushroom, the button mushroom, we have cauliflower, we have beans, we have cottage cheese, we have peas, we have corn. So we fry them together after the frying of onion, and then when all the spices and the salt and everything is put together, when the gravy is almost ready, we add a bit more water, and then we quickly knead the dough and kind of roll it, and after rolling it we press the pasta between three fingers, and then we make like a roundish shape with a semi curved bowl shaped pasta, and then we cook them together. And then once ready, only precaution we have to maintain is we shouldn't stir when the pasta is put in the water, because then it sticks together. And then once it's ready, we're ready to relish here. So that's my skew. I will pass on the next introduction to Gyaltsen regarding the tea we are having, right here?
Yeah. Namgyal, so we have over here we call it usually a butter tea, and it is usually made up from like milk, and we have a local tea for it, and which is different from the other part of other types of tea which we have in India, and we mix it with the milk and a salt.
Okay, so this is the veg noodles that is found at every street of India, and probably it started to be there because it was somehow started in the Himalayan region, and because this was a to-go food, fast food, which was ready within like 10 to 15 minutes or something like that, because the local dishes here take a lot more time than these fast foods. So these fast foods are made with a different ingredient, and every restaurant has a different ingredient, and this one is the best so far that I have had in my life. And most interestingly, we have the French fries mixed in this veg noodle, and we have mushroom, shiitake, broccoli, peas, carrot, corn, paneer, and onion and mushroom, and lot more other things also. And this is served with the Indian side dish we call chutney, and yes, this is something we love to eat.
So now I'm sure you all are waiting for just tasting or make us taste and tell you how it tastes like. So taking the first bite, let me take a... It's hot, so I better not burn my mouth.
Wow, how is it, Namgyal?
Pretty good. I could feel I think they've added a bit of vegetable soup in it to enhance the taste, since they don't use, as I told you before, they don't use taste enhancers here. Otherwise, the dough is cooked pretty well and it's not stuck, which means it gives a very good taste to eat when it's not stuck. Apart from that, the other vegetables are adding to the taste, and especially onion and the shiitake mushroom, which are my favorite. They are having a special effect on the dish. So I would say, guys, please jump in.
Okay.
Yes. So
Do you mind I try it?
Sure.
Wow, amazing.
It melts in the mouth.
This is the first time I'm having a stew like this. Usually, like stew is made in lay homes, but this is the first place where I find stew so nice. And even mushroom is over here. Mushroom is in this stew.
And in the absence of mutton, usually because wherever we go, we expect mutton in it. And since today we're all veg day, and it's not bad. Veg is also
indeed.
great.
It's
really
very
great.
nice. Like,
Yes. Dechen, would you like to try, or you would like to try your
I would
noodles?
rather start with the noodles. And this is the best part, I think, the shiitake mushroom. All three of us are like dying for it. As usual, lovely.
Lovely.
Yummy.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
shall I try?
Yeah.
Yes. Please jump in.
Nice.
Yeah. So I definitely wish you guys to come here and try this, because this is something Ladakhi traditional as well as something that has become modernized. So why not jump into some Ladakhi cuisine and without any taste enhancers, which is usually at the other restaurants. So yes, thank you so much. We loved it.
Oh, bye.
So I hope you relish the two dishes you had with us, and looking forward for more interesting options we have. Until then, we wanted to thank the people who participated in with us, which is Dechen and Gelson, for joining us and helping us making the show more interesting. And until then, enjoy eating. Take care. Bye-bye.